So today, we're diving into a really fascinating piece of educational tech coming straight out of South Africa. It's called Meneer AI. And, well, it's built to tackle a challenge that is incredibly complex. And that really brings us to the heart of the issue right here. I mean, just think about that for a second. How do you possibly get ahead in school when your lessons, your books, your final exams could be in any one of 11 different languages? It's a huge, huge hurdle. So to really get why this new tool is such a big deal, we have to understand the problem first. Let's step inside what it's like to be a high schooler in Mzansi. That's a common name for South Africa. It's basically an academic gauntlet.
Now, this whole high school journey, everything, it all comes down to the National Senior Certificate, or what everyone really calls the Matric exams. And listen, these aren't just any old tests. They are the absolute gatekeepers to getting into university and starting a career. The pressure is just immense.
Okay, so let's just quickly break down the challenges. You've got this really dense national curriculum called CAPS. Then you're trying to learn it all across this massive language barrier. And on top of all that, your entire future hinges on these high-stakes Matric exams. It's a real perfect storm for students.
So, with that incredibly tough landscape all laid out, a new player has stepped onto the scene, and it was designed from the ground up to take on these exact problems. And here's its core promise. It's not just another study app, you know? It's your personal educational engine. Even the name itself, Meneer, that's Afrikaans for Mr. or teacher. It perfectly sums up what it's trying to be.
And this is the key. Meneer AI isn't some generic one-size-fits-all tool, no way. It was built with one single goal, to help students master the South African CAPS curriculum. That means every single thing a student does on the platform is directly helping them get ready for their exams.
All right, so let's pop the hood and see what actually makes this personal engine run. What are the core features that make it so powerful for students?
It pretty much boils down to these three powerhouse tools. You've got a voice tutor that literally speaks your language. Then there's a homework helper that makes tough problems easy. And finally, an exam engine that gets you ready for the big day. Each one is designed to solve a very specific problem students face every day.
And this goes right back to that first question we asked about language. The voice tutor lets a student learn something complex, like physics, not just in English, but in their own home language. Whether that's isiZulu, Xhosa, you name it. That's a total game changer, because true understanding, it really begins with your mother tongue.
Next up is the homework helper. And the simplicity here is just brilliant. You're stuck on a math problem, right? Instead of trying to type out all the symbols, you just point your phone's camera at it, and bam, the AI gives you a full step-by-step solution. It's help right when you need it, no fuss. And finally, the exam engine. Now this is where it gets really smart. This isn't just about spitting out old generic exam papers. No, the AI actually figures out where you are weakest. Then it creates personalized practice exams to fill in those specific gaps. It's like finding the missing pieces to your own personal study puzzle. Super efficient.
But here's the thing. The impact doesn't just stop with one student studying alone. This tool is built to fit into the whole educational system.
And clearly, it's catching on. More than 12,000 students are already on the platform. That shows you there's a real hunger for this kind of customized support.
And this shows that it's not just a last-minute cramming tool either. Meneer AI is designed as a companion for the long haul. It helps you build those core skills in grade 8 and 9, and then it stays with you all the way through to mastering the really tough stuff for your finals in grade 12.
And get this, it's also a massive help for teachers. So while a student gets personalized tutoring 24/7, their teacher gets this incredible insight, seeing exactly where the entire class is getting stuck. Then they can use the platform to send custom study plans to everybody. It's a huge force multiplier.
So this isn't just about getting better grades. All of this is building towards a much, much bigger vision. It's about unlocking the potential of an entire nation. And this right here, this is the mission that drives the whole thing. The goal is so much bigger than just test scores. It's about using modern AI to raise up the next generation of scientists, engineers, and leaders in South Africa.
And this part is absolutely crucial. This platform is built for South Africa in South Africa. That means all the data stays within the country, it follows the local data privacy laws, and of course, it's perfectly aligned to the curriculum. All of that builds a level of trust that you just can't get otherwise.
So all this leaves us with a really fascinating question to think about. We always hear about these huge global education platforms. But Meneer AI makes a powerful argument for something totally different. Could these hyper-local AI tutors, ones designed for the unique language, culture, and curriculum of a single country, actually be the future of education worldwide?